Hey everyone! Have you ever felt overwhelmed by all the financial jargon out there? Trust me, you're not alone. Today, I'm breaking down the key principles of personal finance that can seriously change your life. Let's dive right into the 50 by 30 by 20 rule. It's a simple budgeting method that will help you take control of your finances. 50% needs. This includes your rent, groceries, and bills. Basically, the essentials that keep you living. 30% wants. These are the fun extras: dining out, Netflix subscriptions, all that new outfit you've been eyeing. 20% savings, debt. This is where you build your financial cushion or pay down any debt. By following this rule, you can easily create a balanced budget and ensure that your money is working for you. Now, let's talk about the emergency fund. Have you heard of it? This is your safety net for unexpected expenses, like medical bills or car repairs. Ideally, you should have at least 6 months of expenses saved up. Imagine the peace of mind knowing you have a financial buffer. Start small if you have to. Even saving an extra $50 a month can add up. Next up, let's bust the myth that investing is only for the wealthy. You can start with as little as $10. This is the part where your money can actually grow. Here are the basics. 1. Stocks: owning a piece of a company. 2. Bonds: lending money to a government or corporation. 3. ETFs: funds that track indices, basically a basket of stocks. Investing has the potential to outpace inflation and grow your money over time. Be sure to research and choose investments that align with your goals. Finally, let's touch on passive income. This is the money that flows in even when you're not actively working for it. Think rental properties, dividend stocks, or even starting a blog. The key is to create systems that work for you. It may take effort up front, but the payoff can be incredible. So, there you have it. With the right strategies, you can master your finances and pave the way to financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe Successful for more ideas like this, and even like and share the video if you find this interesting. Till then, see you next time.